Hey friends, Dave here with Stalls, and today I want to tell you about some things that you may not be told when you're looking to purchase a direct-to-film printing setup. Now, of course, there are a myriad of ways that you could integrate direct-to-film in your business aside from purchasing the equipment and taking that financial risk up front. Of course, with direct-to-film printing, you are going to look at a quite large initial expense. And very similarly to when direct-to-garment first came out, there was this huge rush to buy printers to integrate into the business. But the vast majority of decorators did not actually see a return on that investment because of the maintenance and the capacity that they were able to throw at the machine. Now, direct-to-film is a little bit quicker and can print on a wider variety of materials, which makes it really popular and kind of changing the game for apparel decorators, not just those using a heat press. Now, of course, aside from that initial investment, you have to be concerned about the environment in which your machine is going to live. And that's climate controlled. That's temperature and humidity. Both are incredibly important to maintaining the quality of printing with almost any digital form of printing, similar to that direct-to-garment, right? Now, of course, with an incorrect climate or incompatible materials, any quality issues are going to be your problem. So you are going to take off your apparel decorator hat and put on your custom transfer manufacturer hat to try to figure out how to troubleshoot these issues and maintain the quality that you expect. Now, a lot of lower end machines will never be able to get the feel of a premium direct-to-film print on a garment, or they're even going to get close to the capabilities of what you could achieve with low temperature applications and efficient hot peels that is going to increase your profit margins and capabilities as an apparel decorator. You also have to worry about supply chain. Are supplies easily in stock? We're talking things like inks and films, and not just inks and films and the consumables, but replacement parts. You will have to replace a print head sooner than later. It's not an if thing, but it's a when thing. At Stalls, here in the UK and globally, we maintain a humongous fleet of direct-to-film printers with dedicated maintenance technicians in every single facility, ensuring top-notch quality and printers that are going to run. But there is always machines down. So if you're going to buy a direct-to-film printer and rely on it for your business, you're probably going to have to buy two of them because one of them at one point will break. The next thing, you're going to have to worry about power requirements and maybe an increase to your utility bill. Of course, a heat press with a heating element is going to draw quite a bit of power. But a digital printer, maybe not so much. Now, the conveyor dryers or ovens that are needed to cure high-quality direct-to-film prints are going to require a little bit more electricity, which is going to make a difference in your business. Now, of course, when they say, oh, well, you could produce this at X amount of cost or whatever it's going to be, that goes out the window as soon as you start factoring labor costs into maintaining or operating the machines, as well as the change in your electric bill or utilities. It makes a large difference. Even those lower quality tabletop ovens used to cure direct-to-film transfers are going to require a little bit more energy, and then only piece by piece in single transfers, it's going to cut into your efficiency, your profitability, because time is money, right? Now, of course, it's going to take up a lot of shop space. Integrating a printer, do you have space for that in your small workshop or if you're running out of your home? Most likely not. And you don't want to be introducing any of the not so great to have around your family byproducts and chemicals that are required to print direct-to-film prints. Of course, all of our facilities have incredible air ventilation systems that keep all employees and technicians and the entire shop nice and safe. Now, as you can see here, one does not simply get into direct-to-film printing. There's a lot more work and consideration involved, which is why, of course, we recommend printing with UltraColour Max transfers here from Stalls UK. Number one, you don't have to worry about any of the risk. Just order the transfers when you need them, and you will be promised to have the highest quality and fastest turnaround time direct-to-film transfers here in the UK. And of course, we are always dedicated to the success of your business with tons of helpful tips and tricks, education, inspiration, and so much more that we are releasing every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing!